Okay, let's do this. Kung naghahanap kayo guys ng training na may internship, yung actual na pwede ninyong mai-apply yung natututunan ninyo, tapos yung pwede kayong mag-aral, kasi non-voice siya, pagkatapos pwede nyo siyang pag-aralan from zero experience na as in never pa kayong nag-work ever online. Tinatanong ni Jazzy kung meron daw bang training ng Amazon na may actual or internship para mas maging familiar sa flow ng work. 999 pesos lang siya. To enroll, click link. Or kung mas familiar kayo sa Instagram, i-click nyo lang to. Tapos ipopost ko rin sa Facebook ko yung mismong link kung gusto nyo doon mag-enroll. Basically, it will lead you to this page. All you have to do is click Amazon Level 3. 2 days ang class nito, guys ha. A total of 8 hours. Live Zoom training siya. For the class, you will have 2 weeks of internship na application ng actual na natutunan ninyo. And then, saka pa lang kayo pwedeng mag-mock interview, yung one-on-one nyo with me and then saka pa lang kayo makakawa na certificate. 999 pesos. It's closing tomorrow at 6 p.m. So, habol na lang kayo sa enroll. See you sa classroom. Bye!